This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by prioritizing safety before touching the meter or wiring. Always disconnect power at the main breaker and wear insulated gloves and eye protection. Visually inspect the meter and surrounding wiring for cracks, burn marks, or loose connections. Confirm the service breaker is supplying 120V and the panel is securely closed. Use a multimeter set to AC 120V to test the line voltage at the meter input. Do not proceed until voltage readings are stable and expected. Next, identify common faults that cause a check meter indication. Remove the meter cover only after power is off and verify continuity across internal fuses and terminal blocks. Set your multimeter to continuity mode and probe each fuse and connection. Restore power briefly and measure line and load voltages. Expect approximately 120V on single-phase installations. Check for incorrect phasing, loose screws, or thermal damage near terminals. Replace blown internal fuses and tighten screws if continuity or voltage readings are abnormal. When you find faulty components, replace them with rated parts matching original specifications. Use identical fuse ratings and compatible connectors to maintain safe operation and compliance. After replacement, measure voltage and current again to verify readings are within expected values. Confirm stable 120V input voltage, proper load current, and correct phasing on multi-phase systems. Run the system under a typical load for 10 minutes and check for overheating or abnormal noise. Finally, document all repairs, label new parts, and close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.